Good morning, students. Yesterday we have learnt about mean. Mean equals to sum of observation upon number of observation. We have learnt in previous videos. Now today I am going to teach about mode. What is mode? In previous classes, as we have said, mean is not the only measure of central tendency or the only form of representative values. For different requirements from data, other measures of central tendencies are used. Mode means the mode of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. That is called mode. So mode, what is mode? The mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. The mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. For example, find the mode of the given set of numbers 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. Now, arranging the numbers with the same values together. 1, 1, 1, 3 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, 3, 1 time, and 4, 2 times. There are the maximum data of 2. There are maximum data of 2, so mode is 2. The maximum data is 2 because 3 comes 3 times, 1 comes 3 times, 2 comes 4 times, 3 comes 1 time, and 4 comes 2 times. So maximum data is of 2, so mode is 2. You can say it occurs more frequently. It will occur more or most frequently so mode is 2. This means जो डाटा मैक्सिमम बार आता है वो उसका मोड होगा. नाउ it comes next median. So median, what is median? Median is the middle value of given data. What is the middle value of the given data? That is called median. First, if you find the value of median, we will write the data in ascending or descending order. First, the data we will write in ascending or descending order. After then, the mid term is a median of the data. So median is also a central tendency mode, central tendency value. So becomes next median. This means median refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data with half of the observation above it and the other half below it. Median gives us the middle observations. Median gives us the middle observations. It refers the median half of the observations above it and remaining another half of below it. We will take one example. Now find the median of the data. This given. We have to find the median. First, we will write in ascending or descending order. So ascending order. smallest number is 17 in ascending order. 17, 18, 24, 25, 35, 36 and 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 numbers and here also 7. First we will write in ascending order 17, 18, 24, 25, 35, 36 and 46. Which number is middle number? There are 7 terms. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms one side and 3 other side. So middle term is 25. So median is 25. Middle term is 25. Middle term is 25. Therefore 25 is a median. Median is refers the middle term. So middle term 25, then median also 25. That is complete. Now we come to next exercise 3.1. Question number first. The scores in maths test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows: 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. Find the mode and median. Are they same? First we will write in ascending order. After ascending order, the number that will be 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25 and 25. The maximum frequency, mostly 20 occurs 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 20 comes 4 times maximum. So mode is 20. Because 20 occurs most frequently, 20 occurs most frequently, so mode is 20. What is mode? Mode of these data is 20 because 20 occurs most frequently. Now we have to find median. First we wrote in ascending order. After that we have to find middle term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 terms. So median equals to, or we can say the middle term is middle term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is middle point is 20. The middle term is 20. So median is 20. Now complete this question number first.